Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to change text size in AutoCAD drawings. Text size is one of the most important parts of creating readable and professional drawings in AutoCAD because text communicates critical information such as dimensions, labels, notes, annotations, material specifications, and instructions. If the text is too small, the drawing becomes difficult to read. If it's too large, the drawing looks unprofessional and cluttered. Text is used to communicate information clearly inside technical drawings. Good text sizing improves readability, printing clarity, professional presentation, and annotation visibility. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open the drawing containing the text you want to resize. Next, click on the text you want to quantify. Once selected, AutoCAD recognizes that you want to edit that specific text object. Important clarification. The resizing only affects the selected text unless multiple text objects are selected together. Now, double-click on the selected text. A text editor appears at the top of the interface. The text editor allows you to modify text content, font settings, formatting, alignment, and text height or size. This setting controls how large the text appears inside the drawing. Important clarification. Text size in AutoCAD is usually measured in drawing units rather than pixels. Inside the editor, locate the Text Size option. It is found below the Annotative button. Type the text size you want, then press Enter. What happens after pressing Enter? The selected text immediately changes to the new size. Result: your text becomes either larger or smaller, depending on the value you entered. Important clarification: changing text size manually and changing annotation scale are related but not identical. Manual text size changes the actual text height. Annotation scale controls how annotative objects adapt to different viewport scales. Common beginner confusion. Many beginners think the text is broken because it suddenly appears tiny or gigantic. Usually this happens because of incorrect annotation scale, wrong text height, model layout scale mismatch. Professional drafting standards require text to remain readable when printed. Typical problems caused by bad text sizing: crowded drawings, unreadable annotations, printing issues, and poor presentation quality. Text sizing is critical in architecture, civil engineering, mechanical drafting, electrical plans, construction, and documentation. Common text size mistakes: using inconsistent text sizes, ignoring annotation scale, using extremely tiny text, forgetting layout printing scale, mixing annotative and non-annotative text incorrectly. What you just accomplished: you modified annotation visibility, improved drawing readability, adjusted text presentation, controlled drafting communication clarity. Important technical concept: text in AutoCAD is not merely decorative, it is part of the technical communication system of the drawing. Why this matters: properly scaled text ensures that anyone reading the drawing can interpret information accurately. To summarize, changing text size in AutoCAD begins by opening AutoCAD and selecting the text object that needs adjustment. After double-clicking the text, a text editor appears at the top of the interface containing formatting options. Below the Annotative button is the text size or text height setting, where entering a new value and pressing Enter immediately changes the size of the selected text. Adjusting text size improves readability, annotation clarity, and overall drawing presentation, while helping maintain proper scaling within technical drawings. And that's how to change text size in AutoCAD drawings. Once you understand how text height and annotation scaling work together, managing readable and professional technical drawings becomes much easier. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.